Hi everyone, we are on Unit 8, Day 1, and it is April 6, 2020. Turn to the next slide. There are two warm-up questions today, the first being 5 1/4 minus 1 5/8. The next problem is 4 2/3 times 2 4/6. Stop the video and solve. To solve the first problem, 5 1/4 minus 1 5/8, remember with addition or subtraction of fractions or with mixed numbers, you have to find the common denominator. So I have to find the common denominator, which in this case will be 8s. So I'm going to change 5 1/4 and multiply it times 2 halves, and I will get 5 2/8. So now I can subtract 5 2/8 minus 1 5/8. But I do not have enough 8s to take 5/8 out of the 2/8. So I am going to decompose the 5 2/8 to be 4 plus 8/8 plus 2/8 minus 1 5/8. And I get 4 10/8 minus 1 5/8, and I can finally subtract, and I will get 3 5/8. To solve the next problem of 4 2/3 times 2 4/6, I'm going to make improper fractions out of these mixed numbers. To multiply 4 2/3 times 2 4/6, I'm going to change these into improper fractions or fractions greater than 1. 4 2/3 becomes 14/3, and 2 4/6 becomes 16/6. And then I'm going to multiply my numerators, and I will get 224. And then I'll multiply my denominators to get 18. I am going to turn this improper fraction into a mixed number by dividing 224 divided by 18, and I will get 12 with a remainder of 8, and I'm going to turn that, use that as a fraction, so I 12 8 18ths, and I know that 12 8 18ths can be simplified to 12 4/9. Turn to the next slide. The target for today is, I can convert inches to feet. Turn to the next slide. There are two systems of measurement in the world, the U.S. customary and the metric system. For the next few days, we are going to be concentrating on the U.S. customary system. And in this system, there are 3 types of measurement: length, capacity, which is very similar to volume, and weight. Turn to the next slide. Copy this chart in your strategy section of your Thoughtful log or on a separate sheet of paper. You will have 3 columns. The first column will have name as a heading with inches, then feet, yards, and miles underneath. In the middle column will be the heading abbreviation, with the abbreviation for inches as IN, feet is FT, yard is YD, miles is MI. And in that third column, your heading will be conversion. When you're done, turn to the next slide. Take a moment to think. Do you know how many inches are in 1 foot? Turn to the next slide. In that third column, write 12 inches equals 1 foot. Turn to the next slide. There are 2 problems on this page. The first being, Mr. Springer is 6 feet tall. How many inches is he? When you're going to a large unit such as feet, To a smaller unit, such as inches, this will always be multiplication. Pause this slide and see if you can solve this. To solve, since we know that there are 12 inches in a foot, we have 6 feet. We know it's going to be 6 times 12, which equals 72 inches. So Mr. Springer would be 72 inches tall. The next problem is Ms. Burmeister is 64 inches tall. How many feet in inches is Mrs. Burmeister? When you're going from a small unit such as inches to feet, and in this case inches, you're going to be dividing. Again, pause, see if you can solve this, and then restart the audio. To solve this, we know that there are 12 inches in a foot, and we know we have 64. So this is 64 divided by 12, and that would be 5. That goes in, and we get 60, and the difference between 64 and 60 is 4. And our leftovers is inches, and our 5 would be 5 feet, 4 inches. So Ms. Burmeister is 5 feet, 4 inches tall. Turn to the next slide. Your homework for today will be stepping stones 4 and 7/10 found in Google Classroom, extra math, and do at least one lesson in a differentiated word. Just as a review for stepping stones 4 and 7/10, when you're going to a big unit, such as feet, to inches, to a small unit, you'll be multiplying. And when you're going from a small unit, such as inches, to a larger unit, you will be dividing. So this should help with knowing when to multiply and when to divide.